A very good morning, students. Children, we already had discussed about the transport system, especially of India, in this chapter number 10, Transport and Communication. In this chapter, we discussed that in transport system is very essential for taking goods from one place to another as well as people from one place to another. In that we have different modes of transport. We have roadways. In roadways we have metallic road and non-metallic road. We have the different highways like state highways, national highways, even express highways we have. We have internal roads within the cities, towns and villages. We discussed that railways, as it is called, the lifeline of India, is a very important mode of transport for transporting thousands of passengers every day in India. We have super fast trains, we have local trains, we have metro rails, and nowadays India is coming up with bullet trains. In the near future, tracks are being prepared, and we are soon going to have, within 1 or 2 years, the bullet trains, the super fast train of the world. Then we have the waterways. Waterways are the cheapest means of transport. It transport not only passengers but goods, especially heavy goods, from one place to another, especially from one country to another, because you won't imagine that how many different items of goods we export and import through this means of water transport, through water transport. Okay. Then in water transport we have different modes of transport. Some are little faster, some are for the joyride for the people, some are for the entertainment, some are for the army to use it, the navy to use it for protecting our country. Then we have the ports, which are built facilities for ships to come come anchored and then leave the port to the other countries. Then we discussed that in the water transport we have a different type, like we have passenger ships, we have tanker ships, we have cargo ships. Coming to the next is waterways. In waterways we discussed that waterways are the fastest means of transport but very expensive means of transport, though it is now a very popular means of transport because it saves time, and perishable goods like fresh flowers, vegetables and fruits can be transported in airways, but it costs a lot, transporting things with the help of aeroplanes. I'll just show you one picture where you can see this. This is a cargo plane where you can see those containers have been loaded in the aeroplanes. So they are specially cargo planes which transport goods from one place to another, medicines, and during the time of lockdown, you must have seen the cargo planes were operating because you need goods to be transported from one place to another, especially the things which get spoiled very easily. Then even mail are transported through this airways, and then we have helicopters which are used at the time of disasters. It's very useful for moving from one place to another in a short distance, but of course helicopter, the tickets are very expensive. They are mainly used by army personnel where the places are little difficult to reach, and during the time of disasters for dropping food items or maybe rescuing people. So these are the different modes of transport, and these are the different features of different modes of transport we discussed. Now coming to an exercise which is given as checkpoint in page number 69. Page number 69, where you have to circle the correct answer. Options are given and you have to circle the correct answer. Okay, the correct answer you have to circle. It is given in page number 69. Now the first question: a bicycle or a train is a fast mode of transport. You all must be having a bicycle move faster or a train move faster? Of course, immediately you will say that a train moves faster. So my answer will be train. Next, number 2, local trains are popular in Mumbai or Chennai. You all know, we had discussed that Mumbai every day thousands of trains move and thousands of passengers they move by train to their workplace and come back at night. So they are very crowded trains. You must have seen at least the pictures of the movies, the local trains or any other programs. Some of you must have traveled. So Mumbai local trains are very popular. People mostly travel from one place to another by train, because train is again the tickets are cheaper and common people can afford it. There are 13 or 20 major ports in India. We discussed that there are 13 major ports like Mumbai, Kandla or Paradip or Mangalore or Chennai port. So many ports are there in our country. Then the last one is perishable goods are transported by airplanes or ships. When you take perishable goods, means goods which get spoiled very easily. Suppose you take flowers or fruits or vegetable, within few days or a couple of days they get spoiled, isn't it? You must have seen it at your house. So these goods are transported by airplanes, not by ship. Okay, but yes, I told you nowadays we have those containers which keep the goods in a frozen condition, so that is also available and they are used, but mostly perishable goods are transported through aeroplanes. Okay, do this exercise in page number 69 of your social science textbook. Thank you, children.